Now let's look at this question number 20 for chemistry past question for 2018 WAEC. Stainless steel is an alloy comprising of option A, iron and carbon. Actually, in this question we can be seeing this C as chromium. I think this is actually a mistake. It should be chromium. Well, in any case, I'm going to still explain how we arrived at the answer. So let's see C as chromium. So option A, iron and chromium. B, iron and nickel. C, iron, chromium and nickel. D, iron, chromium and aluminium. So what are the components, or what are the component mixture in the alloy of stainless steel? We all know that the alloy of stainless steel is composed of the following. So we have our stainless steel. It is actually made up of iron, nickel and chromium. These are the major components of stainless steel. Now, in some cases, it can have very small amount of carbon actually, but the major elements that are in the stainless steel alloy are iron, which we all know is Fe, nickel, which we all know is Ni, and then chromium. In this case, they represented it as C, but we all know that carbon is C. So can also say that this is chromium, carbon is C, but we can say that we have that C. Even if this C is chromium or carbon, it is the answer for this, because all these other one, they don't have most of them have. This one has iron, this one iron, this one iron, this one iron, but this time around this one does not have nickel. This one has both nickel, carbon or chromium, and this one has aluminium, and you know aluminium is not part of the mixture. So that makes C the right option. But know that stainless steel is composed of iron, nickel and chromium. So those are the components of stainless steel. Then it can also contain some little amount of carbon. So that makes it the answer to this question. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button by the side of the screen. Thank you and God bless you.